Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. My name is Daniel, and today we're going to talk about revolutionary budget SUV Dacia Duster for 2024. The 2024 Dacia Duster has been unveiled, and its manufacturer claims it is now the best value option on the market. The vehicle has undergone a technological transformation with the introduction of electrified powertrains. The previous B0 platform has been replaced by the CMF-B architecture, which is used in other cars such as the Dacia Sandero, Renault Clio, and Nissan Juke. This change is expected to enhance practicality, refinement, and dynamics without compromising the Duster's compact size. It also allows for the inclusion of hybrid and mild hybrid powertrain options alongside a pure petrol choice. The entry-level turbo petrol engine, which produced 88 brake horsepower, has been removed from the lineup. The range now starts with the four-cylinder engine, which generates 99. This engine is capable of running on both petrol and LPG, with separate 50-litre tanks for each fuel type. According to official tests, when both tanks are full, the Duster can cover approximately 800 miles before needing to refuel. The mild hybrid powertrain consists of a 1.2-litre turbo petrol triple, a 48 volts electric motor, and a 0.9 kilowatt-hours battery. This is the only powertrain option available with a four-wheel drive system, which functions similarly to the previous Duster model. In auto mode, the vehicle primarily operates in front-wheel drive, but transfers power to the rear axle when the front loses traction. The 4x4 lock mode has been replaced by an off-road setting, which actively distributes torque between the front and rear axles. Additionally, the Duster now includes hill descent control, which can be activated in all gears and limits the maximum speed to 18 miles per hour. The 4x4 version of the Duster has 8 mm more ground clearance compared to the front-wheel drive models. Dacia claims that the vehicle has approach and departure angles of 31 degrees and 36 degrees respectively. The flagship model in the new third-generation Duster range is the hybrid 140. It combines a naturally aspirated 1.6-litre petrol engine with two electric motors, similar to the Dacia Jogger, resulting in a combined output of 138 horsepower. The hybrid 140 is equipped with a 2 kWh battery that is recharged through regenerative braking. Dacia claims that this battery allows for 80% of city driving to be done solely on electricity. In addition to the technological updates, the new Duster features the most significant styling change since the first generation was introduced. It takes design inspiration from the 2021 Bigster concept, incorporating wide haunches and Y-shaped lighting signatures into a smaller silhouette. The underbody, wheel arches and bumper claddings of the Duster are made from a durable plastic material called Starkle, which contains up to 20% recycled material. The claddings have an unpainted black and white finish. Dacia claims that approximately 20% of the plastics used in the new Duster are recycled, an improvement of 8% compared to the previous model. The dimensions of the new Duster remain largely unchanged, with a length of 4.34 meters. However, it is slightly lower at 1.66 and slightly wider at 1.81 meters. The durable interior design continues the sharp-edged aesthetic, featuring a color-contrasting dashboard panel and a sturdy steering wheel with physical buttons. The vehicle's software can be updated remotely, eliminating the need to visit a dealership for bug fixes or new features. The Duster now offers increased boot space, expanding from 445 litres to 472 litres. This surpasses the rival Ford Puma, 456 litres, and Skoda Kamiq, 400 litres, although the increase is mainly due to the Duster's larger size rather than clever packaging. Dacia has not yet announced the pricing for the new Duster. However, CEO Denis Lavaux has promised that the starting price in Europe will be less than €20,000, £17,500. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you find this video helpful. If so, feel free to hit the like button and leave a comment. See you next time.